blessed with the Empress, you know?
Yes,
blessed.
We have the Empress here. So guys, if you've been watching the videos them in the past, where you see the viral video go around when you see the dog them go Canada, you know, it was her. That was
one thing will be animal even.
Yeah, so it was her taking the dogs into Canada.
Yeah, that is Sammy Brown and the whole one thing will be animal even.
So Max missed the trip, you know?
Yeah, Max missed the trip. Oh my God.
Tapi, I have a donation here for you from the Overcomers. You know the Overcomers already. So they're here in town. So I have $10,000 here for you from the Overcomers. Prefect, I have a donation here for you from the Overcomers. $10,000. You know, from the Overcomers. Enough love and enough appreciation. Whoa, so we have 25,000 here towards the project from Overcomers.
Overcomers. Bless you, know.
Overcoming, no?
Overcomers. Only for blessing, enough love, enough. See me?
Me must say you know when time just gonna start with the music, you know.
The music, me for tell you in the kitchen, the kid, you have a voice.
Go and do it.
Think back your cousin in London and the first when they do the first tune.
Yeah, when we have flags. Yes. Yeah.
If I read the Bible one day when I say you read it, I take up the Bible and I say you read it.
Yeah. From this, so.
That's a man. That's use it to know.
True. You know where to start from. I know far we go. Which part him live? Where me like? Where the wilderness the man live?
Mountain go kneel up and we knee and tears run out our eyes. And God calling him a do. Last year
I know far that brother. No joke.
Me at the next episode I can tell you where the journey I begin from.
Now we have 85,000 here for you. From the Overcomers, and it goes already. So we have 85,000 here to help out with the material from the Overcomers. So you just count it first.
Not the majority white who were able to perpetuate those institutions in any simple way.
Blow. Okay. I just rest. Okay, yes. It's high enough.
Test it out, Mother Earth. Come in. They do it, you know. Test it out. Feel comfortable.
Feel comfortable.
I'm on time when we wake up now, you know.
Yeah, you want it put on.
Me I want it fixed.
Yeah.
And just put my foot out on it.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
On the ground again.
Yeah. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to another adventure. Welcome to another vlog. You know the days go always end out as well. So, today obviously I'm here on the road to get my vehicle service. You know, because you have to always take care of the vehicle to make sure you keep it up and running, so less damage for you. So you know, so I'm here getting my vehicle service. You know, it's not the first you're gonna see me getting my vehicle service. Cause you know, so whenever I'm up and down driving, you have to always maintain the car. The car is like a baby. You have to look out for your baby. Baby need feeding. Baby need to go to doctor and everything. So a car just like a baby. You know, so I'm here getting it service. As you can see them over there servicing the engine, changing the oil and plugs and everything. You know, see they were well getting service, changing the engine oil and thing. And we have, what's your name, sir? Tell him.
Chris.
Chris. And oh, this guy, this is not Christmas list. His name is Chris. You know? Yes.
Chris, right?
Chris. And guys, we're in Winchester, right? We're in Portmore, Winchester. First time I've been inside this neighborhood right here. So we're in Winchester right now in Portmore. And I'm going to make a little quick walk so you can see what Winchester looks like. So if you're watching and you're from Portmore, living overseas, and you've never been to this side, well, I am here now in Winchester. You know, so passing through. So we're going to allow Chris to continue the good work. So Chris, tell them where they can find this garage, just in case anyone want to come get their car service, anything at all.
138 Westchester Avenue.
Oh, it's Westchester.
Yeah, Westchester.
So Louis, why are you telling me Winchester, guys? Louis telling me Winchester when it's Westchester. Yeah, exactly. You watch too many Western. Right? This guy's watching too many Western. I'm telling about Winchester when it's Westchester. Yeah. Sorry, you know, I was gonna say I wouldn't know if I never asked what's the name of this place. So this man tell me I'm in Winchester like he's watching Western. No, it's Westchester. Portmore, Westchester. So you have to get it right. So in Westchester. I know we have Louis. So Louis over here, you know, he's the original. He's the original one that they always see looking after my vehicle. The last time you did see him in our ski mask, hide himself from the sun. You know, so this is him, guys. The man here fix all ship engine, helicopter engine, you name it. All different type of engine. Just like that. So guys, so in Westchester, Portmore. So let's take you guys to see what's it like in this community here in Westchester. You know, remember, if you're watching, please remember to put the thumbs up. You know, thank you so much for watching Keenan Life in Jamaica. So you know guys, we're gonna hit the road, because remember we're gonna go on this trip with the members them. So heading out on this trip, you know, so we have to get the car serviced to make sure we're not going on a long distance. The vehicle is up and running, right? Patrick, mommy, so I'll go on. So the bus here, Jamaica Good Life, guys, and this was the bus that started my journey. This bus, right? This bus, my stepfather bus, you know, my mommy husband bus. This was the bus that we took when we was going to Manchester, you know, to meet Randy Pottinger, Jamaica Good Life. This was the bus that took us. So this bus is the bus that start everything why you see what I'm doing today. This was the bus we all packed up in. A lot of us from CV Garden went to Mandeville, you know, Fairfield, to link up with Lambert and Chubby Ras. No, Chubby Ras wasn't there. Lambert and Randy Pottinger. And the bus was giving a problem on the journey, you know, and we still make it there. And when this bus take on this journey, this is now why I'm doing YouTube, because of this bus. So if this bus wasn't working that day, well, the bus wasn't working 100%, and you know, my mom wanted to go, and her husband said, Kino, you know, your mom wanted to go, so we're gonna chance it, you know, and let her go, you know, so she can go meet Jamaica Good Life. And that's when we went there. And when we went there now, this is me today shooting YouTube videos, shooting content because of Jamaica Good Life with this bus. So this is the history bus. If it wasn't for this bus, we wouldn't make it, right? We wouldn't be doing Keenan Life in Jamaica. First Jamaica Good Life, and now Keenan Life in Jamaica. So that was a small history to let you know what everything comes from, right? And the same Louis, he's the one that always maintain it as well to service it. We got they call this over here Tame River Oh, I forgot this is Portmore, you know. I can't run in this bush like this where you got alligators over this side, especially when you have a pond like this. Hey, I just remember. Louis, where you call this again?
Canal, man. That's a canal.
Canal.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So this canal, I cannot trust this canal just in case of.
Can't trust. Not tell nobody say you can't trust the canal, man.
Alligator.
Then alligator everywhere.
But them always come up through this canal, boy.
Come here, so.
Then why not here, boy?
And people there, so and them.
What's so special about here? The guys, so check out this canal right here. I know in Portmore you have to always look out for these alligators. Is it alligator or crocodile? Louis, is it alligator or crocodile?
Both of them.
Which is it?
I think that crocodile we have now.
It's a crocodile, right?
Eh? No, man, I say crocodile.
Crocodile. Yeah. So guys, so this is where you have to look out for these crocodiles, right? So this is Portmore, and in Portmore you always see a lot of crocodiles. So guys, I have to take my time to show you this canal here in Westchester, Portmore. But trust me, crocodile, I'm looking for you. You know, Portmore full of crocodiles, guys. So you know the thing go, especially when you see canal. So anywhere you see footstep, just know the thing go. So as I'm looking all around just in case no crocodile just creep up behind me, you know. So this is the canal right here in Westchester, Portmore. You know the thing go for sure. Hello? Yeah, hello? Blessed. Yeah, I'm here shooting a video. Who's this? Alright. Yes guys, so as you can see, this is a canal here in Westchester, you know, Portmore. But also have to be looking if I see any crocodiles, because trust me, this is where they live, this is their home, you know. So let me step away from this just in case. So let me give you a walk in this area. So this is the back part of Westchester, where you know they got the garages and everything. So reason being it's looking like this with so many cars because of here's a garage. So let me go walk, stretch my legs to see what this place is like here. So I guess the drive come from that direction. I guess so. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching. So remember, stay tuned for that trip. Well, we're going to be heading to the North Course, you know, we're the members them. You know, also we're gonna have special guests, you know, D-Mongo, we're gonna have Sean Awa as well, is gonna be there as well too. So you know, oh gosh, trouble, you know, Sean Awa is gonna be there as well too. So you know, it's pure excitement going down on that North Coast there, outrageous. Nothing but laughter and everything. Nothing but laughter. But look, check out Westchester. One thing I like about Portmore, the houses them always well developed, you know. And guys, where you see this fence here, they're building a new housing scheme again. As you can see, this is the wall, go all the way down that way. Yeah, there's a wall all the way down there, go all the way back that way, where they're building a new housing scheme. But look at this house here at the front here in Westchester. Look at this. Look at this. And I know this house though cost 42 million. I remember when I called and I was investigating about the house up by Uptown side, and they were saying 42.
So is that you there?
Yeah. You alright?
Where are you?
Keen of life in Jamaica.
Yeah?
Kino life in Jamaica.
Kino life in Jamaica.
Yeah. Yeah, bust a stunt. Say, hey. You can bust stunt as well? Can't stunt? So you're the wheelie man. So you only can wheelie, you can't go up on the front wheel. Alright. He's got talent. What about you?
Yeah,
Can't wheelie. So how you don't teach him? Yeah.
One easy, so that's easy.
That easy, them said. You say that easy, right?
Yes, sir.
That's easy if you can do that one, right?
So where they come from? Where they come from?
Where you come from? Come from Jamaica.
They got friends, sir.
Alright, give him a wheelie, let me see.
Yo, come on, I gotta go on YouTube, really. Talent.
Yeah, talent. So remember to check it out, Kino.
Famous though.
Eh?
Famous though.
Who, you?
No, you.
No, you are get famous now. You're gonna be the famous one, right? So wheelie, let them see now, wheelie. Don't drop though. Hey.
You can't wheelie. Like
Can't wheelie. Go on. Yeah. Mind the car. At least him try, right? So remember, it's spelled Kino. So, oh, your phone.
I'm not service.
You're not service, so type it in your phone. So now go.
So you're not no more iPhone. Man, not there sponsorship.
You want iPhone? Why iPhone?
I never own one yet.
Oh, you never own one yet. So you want an iPhone. But one day you will own one. How old are you?
12.
12. You see, you're young, so you will get on N-O space.
Wait,
N-O space life L-I-F-E.
Life?
Yeah. In Jamaica. I-N Jamaica. And you're gonna see come up.
Sir, our YouTube video.
Yeah.
We are gonna, sir.
I'm just walking.
Sir, so which place like you do film? Which place like you?
Everywhere.
Everywhere, Jamaica?
Everywhere, yeah.
By yourself? You ever been?
Yeah.
You ever been to Jamaica?
Yeah. Everywhere. By myself. I'm sometime with friends. Sometime with friends. So you know, I'm just showing them the neighborhood here of Westchester. So guys, look at these houses. So nice. You know, over Portmore. Listen, Portmore is so nice to live, but trust me, Portmore is also hot. You know, as you can see, Portmore is mainly houses. Alright then, big up, yeah? Continue, keep practicing. Alright, I'm just keep walking in. Yeah? Yes guys, as you can see, Portmore is nice. No? But I came over here and I'm getting my car fixed. So I'm just walking at the same time. Mangoes. This mango is not ready yet. No. Tough. I don't know what type of mangoes are these. Be a tough mango.
Sure, say I got there later, because I have some friends. Like them more famous, like them more. Shemi is not famous, Shemi.
No, Shemi gonna be famous. Or them one on YouTube. Or them a stuntman too. Oh.
Some of them better than me.
Okay. But you can get good, more practice, you will get good.
But me I try to practice for do like circle.
Yeah.
So
Jamaica?
Man born in Jamaica.
How am I say it different?
You just see me.
You said Jamaica.
You said different.
Alright, how you say it?
So live right now?
I'm recording.
You post it when you're done.
Yeah, when I edit it and then post it.
Sorry, so don't cut out my part.
No man, your part is gonna be there. Of course. But remember you have the channel, so when you watch it you will see, okay? It's soft. So you don't eat it. Alright then. So guys, so this is Westchester, guys. As what I was saying about Portmore. Portmore is really nice to live. Once you can manage to eat. in it. I want to share this, right? I'm gonna buy some juice. Okay? For the trio. For the trio, no. So buy a juice for the trio, no, okay? Alright. Westchester. So over here is really nice, guys. Really nice. I like how everyone developed them house, but trust me, once you're living in here, just remember, say your light bill have to go up, because why? You have to go get your AC. You have to get the AC because there's not much trees, you know. As you can see, it's always small trees inside the yards, not too many trees, you know. It's pure house. So this is a concrete house, you know, concrete. Oh, is that the shop? Let me come buy water. Some water. You getting through? Indian.
Service.
You hear anyone? Serve.
And
all I want is a bottle of water.
Me no want to come so go down so with the bicycle for me, no? Me next thing I go scratch my van. Go down so with the bicycle.
Indian head hot.
What you say you want?
Have a water, please, Indian.
$100 one?
Guys, when you come here, remember Indian head is hot. So you have to come here in your best behavior.
Yes, sir.
Or else Indians gonna roast you.
Like you come like the blue one for the bicycle.
Indian, don't roast them, Indian, please. I beg for them, okay? Don't roast them.
I want to tell you,
this is my camera.
Say waterproof too?
Yeah.
You sell bag?
Swimming water.
Not like the plastic bag then.
Shopping bag is for $100.
No, like
alright, Indian, take care, yeah?
No, big up yourself.
Alright, later. Alright, so Indian. Hey, Indian is something else. Imagine when I go to the shop and the lady's like, yo boss, let's say talk with you. Hey, don't play. Hey, one thing with my Jamaica, don't play. Right? You have to just get to the point. Right? Get to the point. So alright, let me see. This is called Bembo Avenue. We have Kitson Road. Portmore houses are so nice. So this is called Kitson. So right now, right here, this road is called Kitson Road. So wow. If I go this way, let me see if I will go back around myself. Definitely. Portmore is so hot. Guys, I don't think I could walk for too long here in Portmore. The sun is too hot. Right? The place is pure concrete. As you can see, Portmore is so nice. Like, so nice. If you're in Portmore, you're definitely going to be in your house. Don't want to come out. So we're in Kitson Road. Look at this house, so nice as well too. It's a nice house. I noticed Jamaica love the different color. They like the color of the house, tropical color. Use different color scheme as well too on the houses. Here, especially in Portmore, you find a lot of houses in a different color scheme. You know, unique colors. So look at this house on the corner. This is a corner lot. You know, the corner lot them always have more space. One thing with the corner house, then they got more space than anything else. So I washed down the baby. That is it. The guys are washing down his car. So guys, over there where you see, that's where they're building the new housing scheme. So there's a housing scheme building up over there as well. So more houses in the scheme. So you know, Portmore is like its city on its own, you know. It also have its hospital. It have everything over here. Portmore is like a city on its own. So they're gonna class Portmore as cities. They come into Portmore City. You know, it is a city for itself. Well, something is selling over here for sale. You know, Portmore is nice to live. You know, like you for considering for having a like Airbnb. Like some people literally come, but listen, it's just the weather. Like it's just too hot. It's too hot, man. Trust me. Blessed General. It's just too hot, man. There's just too many suns, you know. So the kids them over there again. So yes, man. So I'm gonna check on my vehicle now. So that was a little walk for you to see what Westchester. No, it's much bigger, but I couldn't walk so much because of the sun. You know, I'm not looking for no suntan today. You know, let's get in the car started, and then I'll be on my way to go and check on the project in Trenchtown to see the work that's going on today. Today, we're gonna put in some work today. So I guess the work already started there in Trenchtown. So see what's happening around here now. May I get some hold on there? Well guys, yeah, I'm back here in Trenchtown. Yes, I'm back here in Trenchtown, so well. Richie B. We have the younger generation tradesman is here. See that man. Bigging up the walls. One more steel. I'll go up at the hardware now then. Much length you are? 1 length. I'll go and get some sand as well too. I see like run on. It's a good look. Guys, as you can see. And in us, I just half a one them, and four of the long one them in us. So how much more is that one? How many more blocks is that one?
Just need 10 more.
10 more?
Yeah, one with half a one them, 4 of them can.
So I have to get 12 more then and put them on the cart. And we push the cart and go get them and come back. Yeah. So we're gonna get it and come back. So let me say cement. Oh, we have enough cement already. Another one there, 3. Yeah. 3.
Sun still what? I know what would listen up, but this one was
Oh. Can't use it, man, brother.
I use it.
Just 1 length of steel, sun, and 12 black. Alright then, so we're gonna get that and come back. Quick and fast.
Quick and fast,
Quick and fast, man. Alright. Right now we are go. So guys, I'm gonna get some more blacks. Cause we shot at 12 blacks, you know, and some more sand, wash sand. So you can finish, bring up the rest of it, so you know it goes already. So that will be the column at the door, you know, so that will be it. So wait there, so I'm gonna have a breeze through. Yes guys, this is the Trenchtown delivery van. Heroes driving. So we're gonna get some material. So this is what we're using, the on-cart, Trenchtown style. Yeah. That's how we're gonna do it, because more time we don't have the vehicle. We just use the cart, you know, quick and fast. You know, so we're gonna get some bag of sand. I am bored, man.
They get some whole tools.
Yeah. Alright, when we get some old tool, we talk.
Yeah.
Alright.
If I'm thinking your thing in and you give me them.
No man, when we get them, man.
6 chill. I'm clear now.
Alright. Guys, so that man said I am bored. Alright, let's go on. So the man said I am bored. So you know, he's making everything from the wood, you know, naturally. So he said his iron board lasts for like time, like for years, you know. So you know if you buy one from him now, you don't have to buy again from him for the next couple of years. Well, you know, you don't have to do that at all. Not at all, brother. Wow, oh shall scream about.
Yo, I'm going for man. See if I get on this scenario.
This thing. Watch it.
It can't put on head. Yeah.
Catching the riot Alright, yes sir. Can't lean, man. What lean already?
Yes sir. The front foot. You could have still, I would just push this. I would just come back for the block. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to balance up this then. Yeah. A joke.
She's like, I have to borrow my boy carrot down there. This
Yeah. Yo, take up the bag. Take up the bag them first.
Yeah, me around them out and tell them to go on.
No, don't put no more because you're well low yourself.
It is drop down.
No, too low. Yeah, that's the car broke down already. See there? Can't go because you're white a rope on the bottom. Come look here, so come on here, so. See that metal there?
Oh, drop a ground.
Yeah.
Drop a ground. Come here, take a drive, say here.
Let's take off one. Bring one alone.
Which one them still?
Sure? Because if we go in a ditch,
If we go down, so we carry.
we go in a ditch, yeah, well, if we go leave them now, so boom, you stay with them. Boom, stay with it. Don't forget another can and come back.
Yeah, let me tell you so you can use chisel.
Yeah. Chisel not there, boy. Yeah, yes, go and stay with them. Don't forget another can. You see, any of this going on one little hole now? Shovel. That's true. Ah, this. No care, no up here, so. See there? Oh, at the metal. Right? Gone now?
No, gone. The part of
See there? Aye. A ripper that? And a ripper. Hold on, hold. Yo. I'm call a ripper, I see where a ripper is. Yeah. I hate that, man. No, I'll go further. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go further.
Why Indian? You see Indian? Why not? What you have to do?
You go over that side there. Can go over, man. Go over. Yeah, man. You hold for space. I would drive a taxi there, sir. Yo, Rip. How much pay there? But the right I'm on goal. Dog, but they are stranded. Help me bring them son, you know. Please, me I beg you forward now, please. Alright. Say my forward. We'll take it, say my forward. Ripper come. Yeah. So you can bring on the steel and the car. You take out the stand and left it here so.
How far here?
Johnny. Yeah, mash up, look at that guy.
No, man. You can kind of do the thing, man.
Kinda.
Struggle, same way.
Struggle.
Well, so you can't tell them the same time you see one.
Jackson, better pull the steel. Yeah. That's a truth. That's an unbugged for you. Make Jackson just pull the steel, man. That's good.
Watch. Just try. For you, pull it from down the steel. You have to go, man. You understand?
Alright, hold it so then, Jackson. Alright, go on.
Let me dry them thing.
Alright, go on. Well, I'll wait for the dry. Alright. As we put on 2 back, Johnny car broke down.
Which Johnny?
4th Street. Can you the black them now? Right there. Guys, so we have to get a taxi now to bring them because as you can see the car break down. So we have 2 more bags down there. We're gonna take up 12 black from here so. Hey. Boom, voila.
time, doesn't it?
Yeah. I wonder, bro.
Cheaper.
Them give me 2 extra, man. Shall I give me 2 extra though? I take 1 extra. Nothing extra. What's that? Cherry pa? 10. Eh?
Left. So, one more left. Come on, then.
How much that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Come on, then, mama. Come on, whisper 12 black. Hey, your body, mama.
12 is now.
Yes.
Come on.
Well, you have to tell me before you pass 60 and you have to tell
Let me see. They give me back?
long time.
I will pick up the next 2 bags down here, so.
Yeah, this. Then put the black back. Set the black, take off a black down. It's like
Alright. That is that. Good thing taxi man is nearby.
okay.
Taxi man never nearby, boy.
Never.
You're stranded. Ripper.
Give thanks, man.
Give thanks.
Father God, you know?
Woo!
Number 1.
Serious, bro. Savior. You say you have to put it on the 2 stand on the car here. Johnny, man, on 4th Street. Johnny Hightower's true.
Yeah, man, in the carry them something.
In the car, I'm sitting there.
Like what they carry for. Yeah, man, in the carry.
Oh.
Like what?
Yeah, this one now.
Yeah, look it out now.
Oh, she must smell curry.
Yeah, I'm stuck cooking now. Actually, I'm looking for cook. Actually, man, I think about food, so I take off already, you know.
Oh. Aki and dumpling later.
Yeah, so I tell me go and pick up the rest of them, man.
And the tree loaded still, you know?
Yeah, man, for the one of them, you know.
Jag kan inte styra det. Jag kan inte styra.
So Richie B, so we say what's gonna happen? We have to go lick out back this to get a window.
Look at let's go.
So guys, what's gonna happen right now? I don't know, I think they have to go rearrange back there, you know, for I guess for the window. You know, it have to go rearrange because it have been too small right here to put the window. You know, it have been too small, but I guess the window should be right here, so I guess now we have to go rearrange back that. You know? Oh no. Yeah, one nice from my phone. Alright, that no more black note at all?
No more.
Alright, respect. Yes guys, so we're gonna finish bring up the rest of the wall as you can see. You know. But I think so Richie, younger generation, tradesman. So we say this is gonna be too small here to put a window. So we have to go lick out back right here, so cut it out back. Okay, we have wall cutter still, you know. We have a wall cutter we have to go use and cut it back out.
Where are you, sir?
Hello. Welcome. So I go on.
Hello.
Worship project going down.
Okay.
Yeah. No one, Jella, can I bring Layla? Come. Okay, so we are going to the worship project right now, you know?
Yeah, man. I'm going to get the thing after.
Yeah.
That come to do.
Yeah, complete. So we just a block off here now for him to get his kitchen.
Alright.
This will be the kitchen here. So the work are more fast and you see the younger generation trades, man.
Okay, yeah, That's it.
Yeah.
The one who started out at work and now him turn the CEO and business. Yeah, that's good.
CEO and business. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
See my big tradesman now, man. You see how I go on. Yes. He's doing the right thing, you know. The future looking bright for him. So now you're going to slide through more slower. Alright, Tarpi. Tarpi, I have a donation here for you from the overcomers. You know the overcomers already. So they're here in town. So I have $10,000 here for you. from the overcomers. Hold on there. Hold on there.
Overcomers, what if I love you, what if I respect, you know. I just say with there I go and do worship place. Yeah, I get worship place up. What if I love to all them people there, you know?
Yeah.
One team, Gene team. Blessed to the Empress, you know?
Yes.
Yes, blessed.
We have the Empress here. So guys, if you've been watching the videos them in the past, where you see the viral video go around, when you see the dog them go Canada, you know, it was her. That was
one thing will be animal even.
Yes, so it was her taking the dogs them to Canada.
Yeah, that is Sammy Brown and the whole one thing will be animal even.
So Max missed the trip, you know?
Yeah, Max missed the trip. Oh my God. Max missed the trip. I really wanted, you know, him get the L.
Yeah, so guys, you know, it's sad to say Max did pass away.
But I work for doing the community. You know? Just so I get on board and get my people them back on track and we start do something.
Yeah.
Sometimes I just the violence in the community sometimes because we not to, we can't come and, you know, and get thrown. But once you come in and we educate the community, you know, because let me tell you something, compassion can be taught.
Of course.
As the middle tell Kino, you understand, it can be taught.
Exactly.
We're in an era where a man not even like see a dog or a puss or nothing. No creature, nothing at all. And now me get numerous phone calls. You know, me see dog down there suffer, me see one dog get liquor on this, everybody just become one caring nation. You understand? We just want to have a nation where there's no animal cruelty. You understand? What God make everything, so we're supposed to be loving to everything. You understand? We're only destroy what we fear. You understand? We can, some people have fear inside of them, but when them becomes, you understand, one on one, you understand with where them fear of, them overcome it.
Yes.
There are people who never yet want a dog come near them and know. Them ask me if I can get them a puppy or something. Yeah, so compassion can be taught. So we'll do some work in the community to, you know, both humanitarian work and both
so animal and
so everything will come on board.
Oh, I go on Dean. Alright Dean, oh God. Come through General. Come through Dean. Come through man. Yesterday? Guys, it's not near and not far we're coming from, you know.
One love me I tell you.
One love.
Oh, your program everything.
Cooler man.
Every day I watch it, brother.
Yes.
Every day I watch it, brother.
Cooler man.
Pump everything.
Yeah.
One of them do all work.
Cooler man.
You know, God send you to do this in a youth.
True. You know how far we're coming from as well, man. You know far in Sheffield we're coming from.
Far we are come from.
We are Sheffield, we're going to link up with man here, brother. Listen, man, we're the man that one house at Sheffield, England, brother.
Tell them the
cooler, man. How far we're coming from, brother. Far. You know, years,
you know, man. I feel like you. Because already, you know, but a baby with the tree and baby say you're never there.
Yeah.
Baby and baby did a do up some fish and thing. Tell Kino say me go come back up.
Yeah.
But me have to go about 2 days.
Yeah.
But me there I have to forward.
Cooler, man. Alright. Of course, man. I'm glad to see you, brother, man. Guys, so this is a good friend of mine from back in England years ago, you know. And it's the first time I see him for the longest while. Just imagine that, you know. Perfect. Yeah.
When I find man side me I come from, man, the limit.
Yeah.
I live round there, you know. So I never build up the wall around there, man. And my father run a time and told me, man, that my father, my daddy, Koji.
Right.
My daddy, man, I mean, one boy pick me, man. He live here in England. Yeah, man, grew up down there, man, before I go to England, man. Come down to meet me dinner, everything, man. All to them, man, my family, them, man.
That is it, man. Perfect.
That is it, man.
Well, and don't move. Tall P, you know.
Love you, not Tall P. Watch the thing, you know. See the farming, you know. See the whole thing, you know, Tall P. Left it, you know. And kids them up to love the thing, you know. Yo, last year, man. Love the thing, dog. One love, man. One love, me I say Tall P. I'm more trying to go come in for this thing, man. I say a word, man. You see me? Teacher.
Fine.
Little Barnabas, see there? One love, you know, you done to the love, you know. You done to the love, you know.
Yeah.
And the ancient one, them come back, you know. We represent for ancestors, them, you know.
Yes.
Last year, I live on real.
You can't do without the ancestors.
Yeah, man, and I love their
them
power,
still a watch over,
man. It make it a go on, man. It make Kina do it, man, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the whole world, the universe, see what I go on, you know. Pure love, you know. And I tend for enough people to put enough love and more
happiness in our people.
Alright, generally. So I love, you know, if I don't love and nothing, I love peace, rule and reign over the earth. If you don't come to everything and know say I love the answer, we're not going nowhere.
Love dominates everything, you know.
Each one, teach one, helping, sharing, dream team.
Alright.
Oneness.
See there?
Last year,
I know.
enough love.
More love, man. I got reason, man.
I got reason, man. Me and my brother just come to one baby lad. I him bring me down here.
Okay.
Music business. I look for you and baby lad. I see how do the music.
Yeah.
I him just bring me down here.
So you come see everything live and direct now.
Chef himself. Already, no. Too hard to off in my channel. Don't see your art them already. Now your art them are shining. Yeah, man.
Shine. Yeah. Cooler, man.
You are the one love true joy, no?
I love alone, man. I always tell them the same things. I just love and love alone. Because remember, and just know we are sure the love, you know.
Love what we have here, you know.
Cooler, man. A long time, you know.
Yeah, man.
A long time. Remember say you know when time just start with the music, you know.
The music, me for tell you in the kitchen, you have a voice.
Go and do it.
Think back your cousin in London and first when they do the first tune.
Yeah, when we have flash. Yeah. Yeah.
If I read the Bible one day when I say you read it, I take up the Bible and I say you read it.
Yeah. From there, so.
That's a man.
Yeah, man.
Use it to know.
True. You know where to start from. I know far we go. Which part him live. Where over me like. Where the wilderness the man live.
Mountain go kneel up and we knee and tears run out our eyes. And God calling him a do. Last year I
know far that brother. No joke.
Me at the next episode I can tell you where the journey I begin from before I start even ginger them place.
Alright.
Up in England when them get the call from God to come do this them and right now it's a living testimony.
Alright.
Last year you live.
No joke, man. No joke, man.
Love everybody.
Yeah, man.
The world, man.
Living testimony this me I tell you this brother.
Me I want the living testimony, man.
That always be the key, man.
Yes, brother, man. It's a good look, man.
Cool, man. I come see the work I go and see me.
I'm say me have to pass through you.
Alright. And this is how we do it here.
Yeah.
Perfect. I have a donation here for you from the Overcomers. $10,000. You know, from the Overcomers.
Enough love, enough appreciation. Thank you very much. The good Lord just keep guide you and your family. Bless us. Every extended family.
Yeah.
One love. Bless us.
Every time.
One team. Bless us.
Every time. So love see him. Whoa! Man with the two hearts. Yes, you know.
Whoa.
Have a donation here for towards the project. And you know it's from who already? The Overcomers. For the auntie and the others. Yeah, circle back. Yeah. Alright then. Yeah, man, just link, man. Come there. Alright then. That was alright. Yeah, man. Wow, so we have 25,000 here towards the project from Overcomers.
Overcomers. Yes, you know.
Overcoming, no?
Overcomers. All the blessing, enough love, enough. See me? You don't have the project, I keep it up, you know.
Yes.
And we start tomorrow, you know. And we go on a 3-day vacation, you know.
Yeah.
How should I go? Florida?
Yeah, man. Right there we're going, Florida. You get the passport already, right?
Just get the papers them, you know. So Florida. Yeah, man, tomorrow. Left on the ground, man, tomorrow. So now look out for me tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
You see me? Enough love, you know, here.
Man, getting papers, you know. In getting papers. Yeah. Leila. What's up, Leila? What's up, Leila? I'm not here, yo. Nah, I got something for you. You want it? Or should I keep it? You want me to keep it? You want it? You want Jella keep it? Alright, Leila. Jenna. All is well.
All is well.
Alright, never envelope here for Leila from Sevilla herself. You know, Leila, here, tell Sevilla, thank you. Looking nice, Sevilla. Sevilla, thank you. I would thank Sevilla.
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Sevilla, man.
Yeah.
Good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Time, you hear that?
Yeah, so Jenna, I'm also have a donation for you as well too. Because you just said you're going to do some work on your side as well too, right? Yeah, so we have some donation where to buy some material. So Auntie must buy some material for you. You know, so what we're going to do, we're going to find out one way you want. And then we'll see what the donation can get for you. You know, so now we have 85,000 here for you. From the overcomers, and it goes already. So we have 85,000 here to help out with the material from the overcomers. So you just count it first.
Not the majority white who were able to perpetuate those institutions in a simple way.
85 from the overcomers.
First of all, thanks. Overcomers, thank you very much for everything you do. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Your pocket never empty. Dream team, one team, Genius, big up yourselves, cheers.
Yeah, man.
Thank you again, Overcomers.
Alright, then
and
so.
Olivia,
Yeah.
love and love only.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to the overcomers. Thank you so much for blessing the whole chef, you know, Leila and the whole team. So we also have an envelope with Sam and also Kyle from Sevilla as well too. Right, so as you can see, we're here on the worship project. So we're trying to get this off. You know, the younger generation tradesman is putting in some work over there, you know, and Talpi's here. So this is it for today, you know. So we're trying to get this out the way. So guys, so they're gonna do belting, you know, they're gonna belt the top as well too, and think them up. They're gonna cut out back here for a window because they was gonna put the window there, but I think it's too small for the window, so they're gonna chop back out there to put the window there, you know, and get the thing out the way. So that is that. Our size is 7.5. Where's it? Still not gonna fit him.
Right, it's 7.5. I ain't take shame out of me eye.
Oh.
Ali. Look him out, man. Someone like you know.
Eh? Yes, sir. I'm saying now fit him.
You should give it now fit my 10 more years now.
It's a 9, it's a fit me, you know.
Alright, all this.
I will say it here.
Hold on, I'm telling you name. She name Rose Fortis Blessings. The same lady that was here will give the dog and the visa. Yes, so our business line is Rose Fortis Blessings. You know? Fortis Blessings. Yes, her name is aka Charmaine. Yeah.
Charmaine. Bless size 9, you know? Yeah, man.
You don't know about standing.
Hear that? Yes,
alright, so I'm glad it can fit you then, right? Alright then, so we give thanks to Rose Fortis Blessings, you know, the lady that was just here, aka Charmaine, you know. She's the one that been getting the animals them visa to go Canada. So guys, don't feel no way if you're not getting your own, right? But you have to try to become an animal now because yours. Oh, back. Now run and hide. Hello, Miss.
Put up your hand, please.
She okay? You okay, Miss Dasser?
Yes, sir.
Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day.
Good day to you, sir.
Yes. Ali is here, the one and only.
For this side of my man.
Yeah. And then they pass by, you know, because we have an extended family at the program.
Extended family.
Yeah. They send a footrest for Miss Dassa.
Yeah.
You know, it's called footrest from Rose. You know, from the USA. You know, so it's the
footrest.
Yeah. She can put her foot on.
Well, Miss Rose.
Yeah.
I thank you very much for
rest our foot. Yeah. So it's
as from tomorrow I will be start resting
my foot. Yeah.
So you will see me resting my foot on it.
Yeah. Of course. So we'll give time.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, so
yeah, Miss Rose, just go and big up yourself, you know. Yeah. Thanks for the foot rest. Can draw down the swelling on our foot more time.
Yeah.
It's our foot, you know.
No, me I go sit down out the door.
Yeah.
Have this foot rest.
My foot rest on it. Anybody me see me just call them and beg them. Carry me out there so.
And put your foot rest. Yeah. So this is your foot rest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it something that pump up already? Can I walk me down and check it? If it look like it pump up. Or so it's there.
Fully said.
Kids, let me see. Our vans. How far foot? Which one of foot this can fit? Oh, can I fit you? You want to try it on and see? Try it on and see. Let's try it. There's a plastic, put your foot in the plastic.
Why not this?
She stay where she is, man. Come here, stay right there. Oh, it pump up.
Blow. Yeah.
Blow up.
I'm not pumping.
Come here. Let me see. It fit you? Okay. So that's you. Right? That is you. So you can say thank you, Miss Fortis. Hey. Alright. Mr. Star also got a donation here for you as well. It look like it blew up from all this there.
Yeah.
You should have to get it out of the plastic and see.
I don't know, blow.
Blow. Okay.
Rest,
I just rest. Okay, yeah. It's high enough.
Test it out, Mother Earth. Come in. Do it, you know. Test it out. Feel comfortable.
Feel comfortable.
I'm on time when we wake up now, you know.
Yeah, you want it put on.
Me I want it fixed.
Yeah.
And just put my foot out on it.
Yeah.
Get one nice little corner to put me in.
Yeah, so you just put your foot on it.
Nobody not trouble me for the day.
Yes, nobody at all, you know, want trouble you for the day.
Comfortable.
So it's comfortable, right?
Foot rest.
Yes, it's
Can ease off the swelling off of your foot.
Yes.
You know, the right thing, man. Cushion. Alright, so we'll give thanks to Miss Rose. Feel comfortable.
Thank you, Miss Rose.
Miss Rose.
We'll give thanks.
Miss Rose
from the USA. So we also have a donation for you as well to Miss Dassa from Miss Bonita. You know, from USA.
Miss Bonita from USA.
Yeah. $7,000.
Miss Bonita from the USA.
Yeah, $7,000.
Blessings, Miss Bonita from the USA.
Well, Miss Bonita. I thank you very much for this little mask.
Yes.
May your store basket never empty.
Yeah.
May God continue to bless and guide you. Keep you.
Give thanks.
And I tell you thanks again.
Yeah.
Miss Bonita.
Yeah. Miss Bonita, my mother said it well, so they get me.
Yeah.
May your food basket never empty, you know. May the Lord bless you and keep you also, get me.
Yes.
And you know, continue the journey with the work, you get
Same
me?
way.
Same way, put in the work. So I say,
I will give thanks. I will thank you so much, Rose, as well too.
It's Rose as well for the footrest, you know.
Footrest,
Yeah,
so.
give thanks for it, and she said feel comfortable already. Yeah, give thanks, Miss Rose. You get me?
Alright then, Ali, take care. Miss Dasa,
Yeah.
next time, yeah?
Alright.
Alright then, take care.
Alright.
Kylo! Kylo! Kylo? Into the post. See, I collect it for him then. Alright, so we have an envelope here from Sevilla. From the Overcomer, send an envelope for Kylo. So you're gonna receive.
Sevilla.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Sevilla.
Boys are here, we are laughing. Alright then, so that is for Kylo from Sevilla. So Sevilla, we thank you so much, you know, for blessing Layla and Kylo. See him? And now we're gonna look for your boy. You know your boy already. Psalms. You know. Come here.
It's all about building though. Oh chef, are you on my right though?
You boy Psalms. I got something here for you, you know. I got something here for you. Tom, I guess who it's from? Take a guess, who is it from?
Salivia.
Is it Salivia? Who's Salivia? Who is Sevilla?
Eh?
Who is Sevilla?
I do know.
And I just say, I do know. Alright, but now I pressure you. So I have an envelope here for you from Sevilla. So you said, so what it say?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're rich. Rich. Look. Rich. Yeah, man, rich. Rich, you the rich. Yeah. So that's a thanks, Sevilla.
Thanks, Salivia. I love. One love.
Alright, Sevilla, that's your boy Psalms. Just receive his package, yeah, guys. So we give thanks. I will thank you so much. You know, thank you. Remember, guys, thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, we thank you so much for blessing this program, and so the journey will continue, right? So we need to complete our chef. So you know the thing goes already. So the Almighty, He's got the steerings and everything. You know, He's driving this. So anywhere we drive it to, that's where we're going to, right? So blessed love to our dream team and team. That is it.
Welcome.
Alaikum salam.
Long time.
Long time, though.
Yeah, yes, Peter.
Big up.
No.
How is everything?
Give God thanks and praise. We have to give God thanks and praise.
Every time. You know, it is the way. How you been feeling now? How you feeling?
Sometimes the feeling up and sometimes it down, you know.
Yeah.
Because we need to go up and down like one time. Do the walking.
Okay.
Maybe. Sometimes I walk too long, they have shorter breath.
Yeah.
So when I walk up and down, I get more to stay in.
Stay in.
Yeah.
Might as well.
Yes.
Because you don't want the people walking and not clean up, right?
No. Maybe it get shorter breath.
Okay.
You know?
So, what's that, asthma?
No, Remember the strokes?
And the strokes make
Yeah, the strokes, yeah. It did affect the right side now. One time, I couldn't use my right hand. One time.
Oh, you was saying for true.
Yeah. No, I can't use my right. I couldn't hold my toothbrush. No, I can't hold my toothbrush.
No, so you see improvement, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But never short of breath. You know, walk too long. So I kind of stay. Yeah.
So you tell that to your doctor?
Well, the doctor know. I have a 28th to 28th next month.
Yeah.
I'm my appointment. I for cover fees.
Okay.
The 28th next month.
Hopefully all is well, you know.
Thank
so,
God.
Glad to see you.
Yeah.
I have a donation here for you. You know, from the overcomers. I have $5,000 here for you.
Thank God.
From the overcomers.
Thank God.
So count it. 5,000 from the overcomers. Overcomers.
Overcomers?
Yeah, like I say, overcome, you know?
Overcomers. Whoever you send this to me, thank you very, very much. God bless you.
Yeah.
And I've asked God to make you successful in your work where you do, and your business where you do.
Yeah.
And make life easy for you and your children and your family really.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for this.
Yes.
Because I'm broke, I never have no money. Maybe I consider we for cook tomorrow. You know, me have some rice. Where am name there? Snagger. Where am name?
Oh.
They give me some
Snagger.
Snagger
post.
Snagger post. They give me something to put the right rice.
Yeah.
So me use it in the right rice. Same.
Okay. So kinda, I know what I'm talking. You put get some herbs.
Yeah.
Put in the rice.
You put in the rice. Yeah, with the right rice. I really brown rice.
You're supposed to be eating brown rice, right?
Yes. And a whole wheat flour.
Yeah.
So I can buy 2 packs of whole wheat flour tomorrow. And I can buy some pop chow and callaloo, because that me have to eat now.
Pop chow and callaloo.
Callaloo, yes. Cabbage too.
Yes.
Or whole wheat flour, and I can eat a whole heap of oil, the salt and a whole heap of sugar, like one time.
Yeah.
So I have to cut back on my diet.
Yes.
And thank you very much for this. Overcomers. Thank you very, very much.
Alright then, so big up, yeah?
Yes.
Want to take it easy? Yeah, man, so we give thanks to the overcomers, you know, we thank you so much, you know, for blessing, you know, the recipient today. Thank you so much for blessing Patrick as well too, you know, also the world chef, the prefect, Tal P, you know, we thank you so much, you know, and thank you Savila as well too, you know, for the kids them, you know, Layla, Kyle, you know, Kyle was sleeping, and I just saw your boy Psalms, you know, so we thank you so much for continuing supporting this program, you know, as I say, we give thanks, guys. It's the act of kindness, and we really appreciate it. No matter how small it is, we always do appreciate it. So God bless you, and I hope, as what they always said, I hope your food basket will never go empty. You know, I hope God will continue to guide and protect you in your going out and your coming in, you know. Thank you so much for your prayers. Thank you for your love, guys. That's what conquers all. Love and love alone. What will we do without love? The world that burned down already if it wasn't for love. Right, Patrick?
Yes.
The world that burned down already.
That is true.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks. That is it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.